Welcome to Lesson 58. And let's be blunt, AI literacy in 2026 is what Google search was in 2010. It's a baseline productivity skill, not a specialty, and a junior IT pro who isn't using ChatGPT, Claude, or Copilot daily is working at half speed. Over the next 4 pieces, we'll cover LLM basics, prompting techniques, real IT workflows, and the limits you absolutely need to respect. So let's start with the foundation. An LLM is a next token predictor, trained on massive text, books, code, the web. It just keeps guessing the most likely next word. No reasoning, no understanding, just statistics at scale that happens to look like intelligence. Pick your tool by use case: ChatGPT for general work, Claude for writing and code, Gemini inside Workspace, Copilot inside Windows and M365, Llama if you need local. 2 limits to respect: context window, which is how much text it can see at once, and hallucinations, where it confidently invents facts. Rule of thumb: AI for drafts, you for verification. Now that you know the tool, let's talk about how to actually use it. Because prompting is a skill, and bad prompts give you bad answers every time. 4 essentials. 1. Be specific. Context, role, format, constraints. Write a script gets you garbage, but write a bash script that monitors auth log for failed SSH attempts and blocks IPs via IP tables gets you production code. 2. Give examples. Show 1 or 2 input-output pairs, and the model locks onto your pattern. 3. Assign a role. You are a senior Linux sysadmin. Reviewing a junior's script changes everything about depth and tone. And 4. Iterate. The first answer is usually 70% there. Refine it. Don't restart. The best AI users have conversations, not one-shot prompts. But knowing how to prompt isn't enough. You also need to know when not to prompt at all. This matrix is your map. 6 daily IT scenarios, 3 zones. Green means go, drafting scripts, explaining errors, learning new tech. Amber means use it, but verify. Production code, sensitive logs, cutting-edge frameworks past the training cutoff. Red is the career saver. Never paste customer PII, never run AI code blindly, never let it substitute your judgment. Pasting confidential data into a public AI is a data leak. Pasting customer info is a GDPR violation. Memorize this line. Now to the green zone in practice. 4 wins you can adopt this week. 1. Scripts, a PowerShell disk check that took 2 hours from scratch, drafted in 30 seconds, tested in 15 minutes. 2. Logs, paste the cryptic error, ask for likely cause, and fix on faster than Stack Overflow for common stacks. 3. Documentation, runbooks, KB articles, incident reports. You bring the technical truth. AI handles structure and grammar. 4. Learning, a patient tutor at 3 a.m. who'll quiz you on Linux interview questions until you're sharp. Each one saves 30 minutes a day. That compounds. But every power tool has sharp edges. 4. Guardrail. Skip them and you're the next incident report. 1. Data leakage. What you paste into public ChatGPT may train the model. Samsung engineers learn this the hard way with leaked source code. No PII, no secrets, no client data. Use enterprise tiers. 2. Hallucinations. AI invents libraries, fabricates citations, sounds authoritative while being flat wrong. Verify code in a test environment. Check primary sources. 3. Bias. Training data carries it, especially in people-related tasks. Review critically. 4. Over-reliance. If you can't explain why the AI solution works, don't ship it. Build skills with AI, not instead of them. Now let's get concrete. 4 real tickets you'll see in your first 90 days. Scenario 1. A manager needs 50 AD users onboarded. 3 hours from scratch becomes 30 minutes with a PowerShell prompt, but you still test on 1 user first. 2. A cryptic Windows error code. Paste it, get 5 likely causes, faster than Stack Overflow. 3. A P1 postmortem. Redact PII. Let AI structure, you verify and polish. 4. Learning Kubernetes for a new role. AI is a 24/7 tutor that beats a $5,000 boot camp. Same pattern every time: prompt, draft, verify, ship. To work that pattern, you need the language. 12 term to memorize them. LM token, context, the engine and its memory, prompt, system prompt, few shot, how you steer it, hallucinate, cut off guardrails, where it breaks, RAG, fine tune, copilot, how teams ship it in production. When a vendor or senior engineer drops these in a meeting, you nod, not Google. Vocabulary alone won't save you. 5 myths will. 1. AI replaces it pros wrong. It replaces pros who refuse to use it. 2. Trust its answers, dangerously wrong. Verify everything. 3. Free tiers are enough, half true. $20 a month pays for itself in 2 days. 4. Never paste anything in. Overcautious, know the line. PII, credentials, customer data, stay out. Error messages are fine. 5. Prompting isn't a skill. It absolutely is, and it compounds. And that's lesson 58 in the bag. AI literacy locked in. Remember the 4 anchors. LLMs predict. Prompts must be specific. Verify everything, and never feed PII into public AI. Treat it as an accelerator, not a replacement. Next up is the finale. Lesson 59. Your first 90 days in IT. The launch plan. 1 lesson away from completing IT basics. Let's finish strong.